Welcome. In front of me says Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, what you want to do is power off the device. Once you have done that, you will want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do it right now. Power key, volume up. And after a second, you should see a little Android logo. There we go. At which point you can let go. And from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition. Confirm it with power key. Again, let's select yes. And there we go. Cache wipe complete at the bottom. It should be visible. And then reboot to system. Or reboot system now, my bad. Should be selected by default. So press power key once more, and this will initiate reboot and simply go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.